this is the Xiaomi Mix Flip 2, and honestly this is probably the most practical clamshell foldable I've ever used. It's got a massive 5165 mAh battery, the biggest among all flip phones right now, and even supports 50 watts wireless charging, making it the fastest charging flip in its class. And speaking of practicality, this video is also brought to you by the EHOMEWEI Smart Bin, which takes everyday convenience to the next level. You'll see what I mean in just a moment. Unboxing Xiaomi Mix Flip 2. I don't know why Xiaomi nowadays adopts this super long, packaging. It's like they're trying to smuggling something. Xiaomi Hyper OS. Alright. Nothing happens. Open the box. We have an insert that includes a phone case, purple one. Ooh, it's like 2 parts. All right. Feels like soft, kind of soft. Okay, more paperwork. Moving on to the phone. The crease part. Wow, you barely notice any crease, right? Even I switch to different angles. Wow. Yeah, because it's brand new. Anyway, we have to use it for some time. Down here we have the 67 watts charger and the Type-C cable, and that's it. That's the first fold. And that is the phone. Feels like a really premium. We have the DNO's mic, antenna bands. On the right side, we have the volume rocker, also the power key. That's also the fingerprint scanner, antenna bands. At the bottom, we have the speaker, Type-C charger port, and SIM card tray. Ding. Dual card, dual standby, not supporting SD card expansion or something. We have rubber gasket around this SIM card tray to prevent water ingress. Put it back. Compared to the last generation, the outer screen has changed from a quad curved design to a triple curved one, making the back completely flat when unfolded. You'll notice there was a slight gap when the phone was open, but on the Flip 2, that's gone. We all appreciate a cleaner, tighter design, right? Another major upgrade is the hinge. The Flip 2 now opens and closes with a much more refined angle, and the hinge is noticeably tighter, unlike the first generation, which had a bit of bounce in certain positions. What I personally love is how slim it is. Just 7.57mm when unfolded and weighing only 199 grams. That's lighter than many standard phones, which is kind of crazy for foldable. The 4.01-inch outer screen is a total game changer. It's not just for checking notifications all the time. You can browse your gallery, add or delete apps, and even multitask. It basically does everything you used to need the main screen for. One feature you might enjoy is the customizable wallpaper for the outer screen. There are tons of cute pets to choose from, and you can even generate your own AI pets by using your own real pets. Overall, it really feels like a full-feature smartphone even when it's closed. Under the hood, it's got that 5165 mAh Xiaomi Geekbuying battery. Again, the largest in any flip phone to date. And with 50 watts wireless fast charging, you get top-up speeds with no cables, no waiting around. That's convenient, right? And speaking of convenience, here's something else that's made my daily life easier. The EHOMEWEI Smart Bin. So what makes it special? The lid opens automatically when you swipe above it, letting you toss your trash without touching anything. Once you're done, it closes by itself, completely hands-free. Imagine your hands are dirty or full, one swipe, and it's taken care of. Super convenient. And hey, if you want to practice your throwing skills, you can press the open button to keep the lid open. That's why I'm so good at basketball. It can make bins in all shapes and sizes, from the deluxe Mirage 50-liter I use the most, to the 47-liter Mirage semi-round with a sleek, futuristic vibe. They even have dual compartment models for waste sorting. And if you need something compact, they've got that too. But that's not all. They also offer small liquid and foam soap dispensers. Not even my lazy kids, Rona and Christina, line up to wash their hands. Before, no chance. If you are interested in any of the EHOMEWEI products, please check out the link in the description. Now, let's back to the Mix Flip 2. Let's take a look at the camera interface and some sample shots I captured. Alright, the camera supports ultra-wide and all the way up to 20 times zoom. And for the video, it supports up to 4K 60 FPS, 8K, okay, it supports up to 8K 24. And if we switch to the front camera, it also supports 4K 60. But here's the thing, you can press the button here. You can just use your rear camera as your selfie camera. So now you have the best selfie camera ever, right? 4K 30. 4K 30 when you use your rear camera as your selfie camera. This is the horizontal way, but I guess the screen ratio would be 1:1 or 4:3, right? 4K 60. Good lighting. Alright, this is how it looks. Alright, let's just walk around a little bit. I noticed that, wow, especially the camera module here gets so hot. Zoom videos, you might interested in knowing that. Okay, that's all. Ultra wide 0.9. One time you can see the big difference, right? Go to 2 times, 5 times, starts getting grainy, and it supposed up to 10 times. So much noise. Yeah, I just check out the camera, the photo performance. There's really nothing to compare. I mean, when you compare with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, it's like a total win for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. But why you would buy a clamshell phone like this Mix Flip 2? Let me know in the comments, because right now I don't know if what would need it, right? But of course it's cute, it's compact. Maybe many girls would like it anyway. Okay, 4K 60, I'm gonna compare the stabilization a little bit. Just compare a little bit. I know such videos is not making a lot of sense, right? So that's my hands-on. The Mix Flip 2 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite. Now, let's be real. If you're buying a clamshell foldable, you're probably not looking to game on it. That said, it still scores 2.4 million on AnTuTu. The temperature did hit nearly 50 degrees Celsius, which is pretty hot. But for casual use, it should be more than enough. As for the camera, well, if you compare it to Xiaomi's flagship 15 Ultra, it's no contest. And honestly, sometimes I wonder who this kind of product is really for. But then there is this interesting little accessory, the instant photo kit for the Mix Flip. It brings a bit of the Polaroid style, snap and print experience, which is actually kind of fun. So maybe that's the point. This isn't trying to replace your main flagship camera phone. It's compact, sleek, and surprisingly practical. And let's face it, not everyone, especially a lot of women, love the bulky book-style foldables. For that reason alone, the Mix Flip 2 might just be the clamshell to beat in 2025. And if you're interested, please check out this Mix Flip 2 from my friend's website. It's top. And don't forget to take a look at the Eco Smart Beam. Both are worth a peek. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. We'll see you in the next one.